Hi, baby. You want to show them your car? This is the, how you turn it on right here. Turn it on like that. It has the headlights right here. Gear shifter. And you have USB, so you can plug in your iTunes and your iPod on there, or your iPhone. And she has her license plate there. We're gonna try to change that to October because that's her birthday. Some shocks, so she goes off-road. And this is a Unimog. And I know they're not very popular in the US, but they're very popular in Europe. This is where you actually charge it. There's a socket right there, so you can just plug it in. It normally takes about 8 hours to charge, and it goes about 2 to 3 hours. And then there is we have 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, so I'll show you that it can go on 4-wheel drive. But the remote controls right here, the steering wheel, and then the tires. Now we're about to take this thing off-road. We're just gonna go. So you ready? Okay, look, she's got her little playmate with her. Yeah. You ready? All right, let's go.